can I run?
That's lucky for you. Grizzlies around here mostly go for jogging.
Don't be looking at me. Meanie.
Well, anyway, but the house is
You're a mean girl. You're a mean girl to the Lundy. I'll take that basket away from you. You keep being so nasty.
have a way with animals.
That's all right. He's just young. Here, hold out your hand to sort of Laura. That's it. So you can get the smell.
Miss Kitty. Hello, Miss Kitty.
He's beautiful.
Hello, Miss Kitty. You better not bite me. You better not bite me. I'll take that basket away from you. I will. I'll take it away. As quickly as I brought it, I will take it away. So all you're going to do is just lay there? Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty. Hey, little kitty. Hey, little kitty. Hi, Miss Kitty. Hi, little Miss Kitty. Hi, little kitty. Hi, little kitty. Hi, little kitty cat. What you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, you're getting ready to jump on me, aren't you? You better stop it. You better not come bite me. I'll have to spank you. I'll have to wet you with your water bottle. I'm going to wet you. You going to get wet? Well, stop it. What's the matter with you? You stop doing that. Meanie. You're a mean girl sometimes. What is it? Okay, I'll turn it off.